How to check your Instagram user ID. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your Instagram application and then open it. Then go to your profile icon and here you will find your all the profile details including your user ID as well. So this one on the top is your username. This one is your name, and all these are your bio and the links that you have shared. But if you want to share your profile to some other person, tap on share profile, and here you can see your Instagram user ID. This is the one that matters the most. You can simply share this QR code or also copy the link and send it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.